Hi there, I'm Payam from Payam Data Recovery. I've got an iPhone XS Max here from one of our customers this week. The good news is we're able to actually fix the problem with this phone. The phone was damaged due to liquid, and according to the exact description, it says water damage, it would not turn on, and this particular client was after their SMS message history, photos, videos and contacts. We've temporarily repaired the phone and we recovered all the files and all the data, and we've copied it to this portable USB hard drive. So if you have a liquid damaged phone, whether it's a washing machine, swimming pool, toilet, alcohol or drink, just be aware that the chance of success is normally very good. Best thing to do is stop using the phone, get it to us as soon as possible. At least 95% of the time or more, we're able to recover all the data off liquid damage and dead phones. We get a lot of iPhones, but also other brands of phones equally as successful. Like we get a lot of Samsung, HTC, Hawaii phones, and Google phones, other kind of brands too. So if you have a dead phone and it's been damaged by liquid, the cost of the data recovery service is 650 Australian dollars. We also do work for people all around the world, and we offer free return delivery by FedEx. We don't ask for any payment now, you only pay if we're successful, and we usually, if you have an iPhone, we'll give you a complete iTunes backup that you can restore onto another phone, and we'll give you all the photos and videos back on a separate folder on that hard drive too. And so you get 2 copies of the data. So we only charge if we're successful, and we also do offer payment plans, and if we can't help, we even send it back for free.